I'm a full-time Forex day trader and I'm going to show you what the charts have done this week. Right, now we're on screen record. You can see we're starting on Euro USD. I've got a watch list over this side which we're going to run through. We've got a inverted head and shoulders, a shoulder, head, shoulder, rejecting the daily 50. If I go on a daily time frame, you can see price come all the way back, tested this 50 EMA, is now looking to push up to test the weekly zone up here. What we're looking for a setup is I'm looking for an MSBC trade and I'm waiting for price to pull back into this 4-hour zone, and then afterwards let's see if we can catch a long trade up to that weekly zone. Price has over the last hour pulled back quite nicely. Probably like to see a little bit more if I can get just over that 50% fib, and then we can look to get stop loss behind the 4-hour 50 EMA. AUD CAD on the 4-hour time frame, we've got a head and shoulders, not an inverted head and shoulders, rejecting the weekly 50 and our weekly zone, and I've now managed to grab a 2% trade so far on that. We have this trade running, I ended it yesterday midday, and I'll drop to the 1-hour time frame so you can see what was going on. You can see price tested in here. This was my right shoulder. Price then did break below the neckline, but then come back above the neckline and the 4-hour 50. Waiting for price just to come below, break back below the 4-hour 50, and retest that before then taking a short trade. I ended this on the 15-minute time frame, and you can see my entry was this lovely engulfing candle right there. So you can see price pushed down, broke below the 4-hour 50, pulled back, and we had this engulfing candle was the entry. AUD CAD, we currently got a daily time frame inverted head and shoulders playing up. You can see it rejected this weekly zone and this mid-weekly zone we got here. Price is now bumping around this area. It's currently sitting below the 4-hour and the daily 50 EMA along with that weekly zone. I will be waiting for price to break above that and retest to create me like a 1-hour time frame inverted head and shoulders before looking to place a long trade up to the weekly 50 EMA. Ends of DCHF, this one's been playing me up a little bit. I'm trying to catch entries, but nothing just yet. We've got this head and shoulders pattern forming, or had it formed, rejecting the weekly, daily, and the 4-hour 50 EMA. But then price decided to reject the neckline again and push back up. There was no MSBC entry just yet. We're now waiting to see what price is going to do. As I can see at the minute, price is broke just below the 4-hour 50 and is now starting to retest that, as you can see here. If we can get an engulfing candle, as we are, I'll be looking to enter this trade.